Today, we're talking about a name that's been part of muscle car history for decades. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into every detail from how it looks and feels to how it drives, and what it'll cost you. Let's kick things off with what you'll notice first, the exterior. The 2026 Camaro SS brings in a bold refresh. And while it stays true to its aggressive muscle car DNA, Chevrolet has refined the design in ways that really matter. The front fascia has been reworked with a sleeker, more aerodynamic grille that not only improves airflow, but gives the Camaro a sharper, meaner expression. The LED headlights are slimmer and more sculpted, flowing seamlessly into the hood lines. These lights now feature adaptive technology, which adjusts beam direction based on your steering input. A small but welcome touch for night driving. The side profile remains unmistakably Camaro, with muscular fender flares, a wide stance, and those tight character lines that run from the front fenders to the rear. New for 2026 is a set of forged aluminum wheels that come standard on the SS Oval, in either a brushed metal or blacked out finish. The SS badge gets a modern update, too subtle but distinct enough for enthusiasts to notice. Around back, you've got quad exhaust outlets, a rear diffuser that's functional as well as aesthetic, and a taillight redesign that looks fantastic, especially at night. In terms of dimensions, the 2026 Camaro SS remains similar to the 2025 version, still a compact muscle coupe, but with minor adjustments for better weight distribution and improved aerodynamics. The color palette is also refreshed, including a striking new shade called Inferno Copper Metallic, which really makes the car stand out in person. Now let's open the door and take a look inside, because the interior is where Chevrolet made some serious upgrades. As soon as you slide into the driver's seat, you'll notice the new 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, paired with a larger 13.2-inch central infotainment screen that's angled slightly toward the driver. The new UI is slick, fast, and customizable. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless and standard. And there's even a performance telemetry app built in that lets you log track times, G-forces, and engine data right from the screen. Cabin materials have taken a noticeable step up. Soft touch surfaces, real aluminum accents, and available carbon fiber trim pieces give the Camaro SS a more premium feel than ever before. The Recaro Performance seats are available again this year, offering excellent support without sacrificing comfort, even on longer drives. Standard seats are now ventilated and heated. With contrast stitching that adds a sporty flair, Chevrolet also addressed one of the biggest complaints from past Camaro's: visibility. The 2026 model features a slightly reworked roofline and thinner pillars, improving forward and side visibility without compromising the Camaro's low-slung, aggressive silhouette. Rear visibility is still tight, but the standard HD rearview camera and optional digital rearview mirror do help quite a bit. Rear seats are still more symbolic than functional. It's good for small passengers or extra storage, but that's typical. In this segment, trunk space remains limited, but it's enough for a weekend getaway if you pack light. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the 2026 Camaro SS continues to flex its muscle. Under the hood, you'll still find the tried-and-true 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8. But this year, it's been fine-tuned to produce 485 horsepower and 475 pounds-ft of torque. Thanks to revised intake and exhaust systems and an updated ECU map, that's a modest bump over last year, but enough to make a difference, especially when launching from a stop. You've got a choice between a 6-speed manual transmission, which thankfully is still available, and a 10-speed automatic that has been retuned for faster shifts and better fuel economy in cruising situations. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just around 4.0 seconds flat with the automatic. While the manual version isn't far behind, the top speed is electronically limited to 165 miles per hour, and the quarter mile is completed in the low 12s. Handling-wise, the 2026 SS features updated magnetic ride control, available as part of the 1LA Performance package. Constantly adjusts stamping on the fly, keeping the car composed during aggressive cornering while still comfortable on daily drives. The steering is sharp and responsive, with excellent feedback. And the Brembo brake standard on all SS trims offers strong, fade-free, stopping power. Driving modes include Tours, Sport, Track, and Snow. Ice, each tweaking throttle response, steering weight, and suspension behavior. There's also a new customizable My mode that lets you dial in your own preferences for daily driving or weekend fun. In terms of sound, this car does not disappoint. The active exhaust system lets that V8 growl come to life under throttle, and you'll definitely get some crackles and pops on downshifts in Sport or Track mode. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it's just enough to keep a grin on your face every time you floor it. Now for what everyone's wondering, how much does all this cost? The base 2026 Camaro SS starts at $47,000, which is a slight increase from 2025, but justified given the tech and performance upgrades. Add the 1LA package, and you're looking at around $52,000, fully loaded. With the performance exhaust, Recaro seats, sunroof, and premium audio system, you could be looking at $57,000 too. $59,000 out the door. Chevrolet is also offering some special edition packages this year, including a Heritage Edition and a Track Spec Edition, each bringing unique cosmetic touches and limited production runs. These may cost a bit more, but for collectors and die-hard fans, they could be worth it. To sum it up, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS delivers exactly what you'd want from an American muscle car in the modern age. It stays true to its roots with raw V8 power and aggressive styling, while refining the experience with better tech, improved handling, and a noticeably more upscale interior. It's not perfect. The rear seats are cramped. Visibility still isn't great, but for the price, you're getting a ton of performance and character that's hard to beat. If you're in the market for a high-performance coupe that's still a blast to drive every day, the 2026 Camaro SS deserves a serious look. That's it for today's review.